Did you guys have any idea that you can easily make $650, $1,000, and even $2,000 daily just to watch movies from the comfort of your own home? I'll show you guys how you're going to do it today. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? Well, all you have to do is... What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. Today's method is one of the easiest and one of the best ways to start making money online because it's simple and it's easy to get started with, and you can start earning money just to watch your favorite movies or TV shows. So make sure that you keep watching until the very end because I am going to show you guys how to do it step by step. Now, to get started, this method is completely free, which means you're not going to have to pay for anything at all. And this method is worldwide available, so it doesn't matter where you come from, you're going to be able to participate. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer, whatever you already have, also an internet connection, and you can start making money every day. So let's get started with today's method. Now, the first step that you want to do is to go on to the website that's called filmtagger.com. You can also go on this website by simply going on Google and searching up Film Tagger. As soon as you hit enter, Google is going to bring these search results, and you're going to click on this one right here, and it's going to open up this page. Now, as you can see, it says find movies like the films you love and tag by genre, theme, location, and so on. So what is this website? Film Tagger is a website where you can search for different movies, and it'll give you all the information that is available on the internet about that movie. We will need that information to automate the entire process for us. So all you need to do is watch movies through this website, and the website is going to do the rest for you. So for example, we're going to use this search bar to look for the movie like Rampage. So when you click on that movie, it's going to take you to this page where you again have to select the movie you want to watch, and you're going to make money from. So as you can see, this is the page that we need. This is a movie image with a title and a list of different genres. Now, genres that are colored in green are genres that are related or are under this film. So now if you want to scroll down a little bit, you're going to find this. These are all of the different tags that are connected somehow with this movie, that's related somehow with this movie. And if you click on see all, this website will give you all of the tags that are related to this movie. I want you guys to comment down below what country you reside in and what payment method you guys prefer so that I can use it for my future videos. And I always appreciate it when you guys comment down below because it helps me think of new ideas and concepts. So make sure that you do that, and let's continue. These tags are precisely what we're searching for. I've opened this post from Hello Giggles to show you why we need these tags from that website. As you can see, there's public news from a few years back, and it's going on and on about a new job that started then. Now, if you can see here, there's a job that actually lets you just watch Netflix every single day, all day, and here's how you can apply. Now, if you scroll down more, and if you scroll a little lower, you're going to be able to see and learn more and read more about this job, which is most people's dream job, if not all. Now, Netflix taggers, or more previously known as editorial analysts, watch Netflix series, movies, and specials to be able to tag them with relevant metadata. Now, these tags, it makes it easier for you to be able to search for items to watch based on the categories that you want or you're looking for or what you already watch. Now, as you can see, a Netflix tagger is a man who needs to watch movies and other materials from Netflix in order to get paid. That's literally it. While watching a movie, they have to note down the different tags that are related to that movie. And this is where this website can help you a lot. You can simply copy all the tags from this website, paste it into a file, then you're going to send it to Netflix, and you're going to do absolutely nothing. All you have to do is watch a movie, and Netflix is going to pay you so well, you would actually be surprised. Before we we finish up, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel because it really helps the channel. We have new videos for you every single day, so you definitely won't regret it. Also, hit that notification bell because why not, right? Let's wrap this up then. Now, all you have to do is apply for that job at Netflix, and I'm going to show you how you can do that right now. The first thing that you want to do is actually go to the Netflix jobs page, and you can actually open up a brand new tab and type in jobs.netflix.com, and this is where you can apply for any job at all at Netflix. Now they have and offer new positions monthly, and most of the jobs are remote, so you can work literally from anywhere in the world, from any part of your home. If you're at lunch with your friends, if you're at dinner with your significant other, if you're in the movies, already whatsoever, as long as you have this installed in your computer, as long as you have your mobile phone with you, as long as you have a data connection, you can work in this job. You can apply because it's remote. So in the search bar, I want you guys to type in Tagger, then you're gonna hit on enter, and from there it's gonna show you the job, which is the one that we just talked about, the one on Netflix Tagger, and then you can apply for it right there. Now if you can see, there are no open spots right now because I am recording this pretty late in the month, but don't worry, they open new spots every month. So if you guys want to get a spot, which is what I am assuming you guys want, it is important to note, and this is, you can consider this as a tip or a trick or something like a bonus, but a tip here is that whenever you want to get a slot or get a spot to become a Netflix tagger, because a lot of people are after this job, it pays really well, your job is super simple, you literally have to do nothing at all. So a lot of people are really after this job, especially because of the high pay. I mean, as I mentioned earlier, you could be making $650 up to $2,000, which is just huge. So what you want to do is be quick. It's really that simple. You have to be quick. Every beginning of the month, let's say you go in the beginning of April or May, or maybe June, let's say June. If you enter and go onto the website in the beginning of June, and then maybe 1 to 2 days in the month of June, you're gonna visit Netflix Tagger, this Netflix website, jobs.netflix.com. Apply as a Netflix tagger, you're definitely gonna get a spot because it's the beginning of the month. But if you go at the end of the month, then I'm sorry to tell you, the chances are very slim of you getting a spot or a slot. So I think it's better to be safe than sorry. Really make an effort to get that spot, because once you have that spot in your grasp, then literally there's nothing that can stop you anymore. So you just have to be quick because all of the spots that are usually filled, it's filled up in 1 or 2 days of the new month. So make sure that you do that. And that is pretty much everything. Don't forget the 2 websites that we just talked about, filmtagger.com and jobs.netflix.com. Let me know how it goes in the comments down below. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.